It's the stuff of fictional crime novels or political thrillers, but in South Africa's case, it's all too real. The fallout after Andre de Ruyter's departure from Eskom has people talking, politicians calling for him to provide evidence of his allegations and pending criminal charges. eNCA Senior Reporter Aviwe Mtila made sense of it all and filed this report.
Andre de Ruyter leaves Eskom with immediate effect. This follows an explosive interview on eNCA that detailed the alleged rot between the state-owned entity and the African National Congress. The outgoing CEO says when he reported this to a senior government minister, he was told to let people eat.
From the SAFTU perspective, what we thought we must do is to go and lay charges against de Ruyter himself, using Section 34 of PRECA, or the Prevention of Corruption Act, to say that that section enjoins every South African who is aware of acts of corruption to immediately report that to the authorities. We're going to have to use that against him so that he is forced to reveal to South Africa as to who are the ministers. And if the minister would have said, go soft, we must eat a little, allow people to eat a little, wow, that will explain why in part we are in darkness as we speak in South Africa.
We also reject his unfortunate, irresponsible and baseless claims of alleged political meddling and corruption at the embattled power utility. He is now trying to shift the blame from his own shortcomings to other people. We must ask why he is only raising this allegation when he leaves Eskom. If Mr. de Ruyter has any evidence to the contrary, he is duty-bound to present it. He was the CEO, after all. Don't make flimsy allegations about involvement of people in corruption when you were at the helm. You were the CEO. Expose corruption. We challenge you.
The latest development at Eskom has infuriated many South Africans.
The people who cause the loss and everything, they're getting off scot-free, and the taxpayers got to make up for it. Totally unacceptable. Same with SAA, you know. These people are still sitting there that caused all the problem, and they make it go away.
I do think that the CEO has to say something about it, because I mean that he has information, and that information could be valuable for, for further investigations.
The board itself needs to deliberate on this issue. After deliberation, they therefore then have to go to Parliament and account on these issues.
All of these allegations happen at a time when the power utility is unable to keep the lights on, with government coming in to relieve it of some 254 billion rands worth of debt. Aviwe Mtila, Johannesburg.